Alright, so I have all three of my most common ratchets I use, my Tecton, my Matco, and my Olsa. And the biggest difference is the grips. This doesn't have a grip, they have a grip. This one's locking and this one's quick release. So the difference to me for the Tecton and the Olsa is the size. The length is comfort grip. The Olsa is smaller both ways. Same thing with the Matco. They're the same length, but the Olsa is a little bit shallower and smaller this way. You get in tighter spots with it. Alright guys, today we're putting a belt on this alternator right here. And I'm going to be showcasing the Olsa Tools 3/8 flex head ratchet. Made in America. It's very nice. The flex feels good. Chrome finish. I mean, what more can you ask for? Maybe the comfort grip, which they might be working on. It feels good. And what I like, this has got enough tension in it. It holds it in place. You know, it ain't floppy. So if you're looking for tool truck quality without the tool truck price, go check out OlsaTools.com. Look at their Made in America ratchets, part number 1313. Tell them Pete sent you.